Ano bang ginagawa ng ahensya, ng department, para mahuli at kasuhan din po yung mga smugglers at price manipulators?
Salamat, Senator. Same din po na they are now into inspecting the warehouses, and if there are any anomalies that are being, that is observed, kinakasuhan din po. Actually, si Asik Layog din po yung humahawak sa sibuyas na kaso. So, I would like Asik Layog to explain what is already the update with regards to those incidences.
Salamat, Madam Chair. Yes, please, Asik Layog. Sana balitang hindi nakakaiyak tungkol sa sibuyas.
Sibuyas, ma'am.
Sana good news.
We have around 20 consignees already na on deck for filing of cases under the 10845. Right now, we filed 40 cases already under the Anti-Agricultural Smuggling Law or Act. And then another 10 under Food Safety Act. And then another one for meat code, under the violation of meat code. So lahat po nang yan nakasala ngayon for resolution sa various RTC, various local prosecutors office like Bataan, Subic, Bataan, Manila, and Batangas po, ma'am. So we're also coordinating with the Special Prosecutor Office na ginawa ng DOJ, specifically designed to handle smuggling cases po.
Salamat po. And what about asukal na pinag-initan namin ni Minority Leader Coco Pimentel ng 2 beses in the space of just less than a year?
Yes, ma'am. All the sugar apprehensions, around 9,000 metric tons all in all. We already have filed some of it already sa ganun uli, ma'am, in the same process. Although there are some hitches kasi merong kanya-kanya interpretation each local prosecutor. So kuminsan ang is dismissal because of lack of authority pag kami ang nag-file, ang DA ang nag-file. So we are trying to rectify yung yun, and then we already inputted that inputs also sa revision nung bill for agricultural smuggling, ma'am.
Salamat po. And I was glad to hear kahit sa naunang tanong na sinisimulan nyo na rin pong gamitin yung kapapasa naming anti-agricultural smuggling economic sabotage law para itaas naman yung track record natin sa pag-imbestiga, pagkaso at successfully secure convictions. And definitely mahalagang input po ito sa aming patuloy na pag-review at amyenda ng mga batas.
Yes, ma'am. Out of the 40 cases na final natin, ma'am, sa Manila nagkaroon tayo ng success. So meron pong 4 o 5 cases na sumampa na, and there's a warrant of arrest already for the consignee nung onion and other agricultural products, ma'am.
And kasama po yung sugar sa other agricultural products?
Yes, ma'am. We're also filing cases against dun sa mga nahuli natin na smuggled sugar na nahuli natin.